Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Sohail and I am with you today with a new video. What I'm going to do today for you is I'm going to go and review these shoes which I've recently bought. These are Akito Scout short motorcycle boots, and I guess this is a bit of a buyer's review rather than anything else. I'm going to go through the features it offers, so stay tuned for the details. So let me go through these now. So these, like I said, are Akito Scout short motorcycle boot. I bought these from J&S motorcycle clothing and accessory shop. Just so that you know, by the way, that this is not a paid review, so you can be confident that I'm giving you my honest opinion. What I really like about these shoes, that they have these dual sort of opening, zip, which really give you an ease in sort of entry and exit into the shoes. So the other features it has, that they are CE approved. They are obviously short sport style. They are fully breathable and waterproof. Now the thing I love about the J&S shop in Farnborough is that they have this little blue mark which tells you, just by sight, that these are waterproof. And it's really is easy when you go into the shop and see which exactly, if you're looking for the waterproof shoe, you know what to focus on. Now when you open this, obviously you've got this little leather patch in there which obviously helps to keep the shoes waterproof. So any water that goes in here really is never ever actually going to get inside the shoes. They've got obviously reinforced ankle and the back of the shoes and the front also, and they've got this gear reinforcement sort of panel. I quite like these shoes, and the best thing about this is they're only 80 quid. 80 quid in grand scheme of things for motorbike gear, shoes in particular. That's not really expensive. They're quite affordable, and they're really comfortable when you go and I put my hand inside it, and they've got little soft insoles. Really comfortable. I'm going to wear these in a minute, and then I can tell you what they feel like. My previous pair of shoes, they were long boots, but they were size 8, and when you go to the shop and actually wear these, you feel that they're quite tight. But those size 8 for me are like a football pitch now. So this time I decided to go for the actual size that I have, and they are quite tight when I put my foot inside it. And I'm actually going to now try with my sort of thick socks as well, just to see what they feel like. And they're quite snug onto my foot, but over time, obviously, or like all shoes, these will give in. So I'm quite happy with these. So let me just put these on and tell you what they feel like as well. So here we are. They're really comfortable. I can move about in a lot of ease. Actually, it doesn't restrict any movement at all. Bending my sort of foot forward and backwards seems to be okay. And this is quite a nice little opening actually. These are my normal trousers at the moment I'm wearing, but they tuck in quite nicely. Don't have any problem. These are my thick socks. I'm now going to try and put these on. They're really thick actually. So let me see what they feel like now. So here we are. Even in my thick socks, I still have the same sort of mobility, and still really nice, and they're really snug. I think, you know, in sort of cold weather you probably feel quite nice and warm. So that's it, guys. This was my short review. Like I said, I really like these shoes, and if you're struggling to find anything, give this a try. Go to J&S or any other shop there. They're available in this, like I said, you know, in terms of size, I've gone for size, my actual size which I wear. So even though they're a little bit on the tight side, but they're fine for me. I really like these. Hope you like this review. Thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. I hope you liked this video, and if you did like it, please hit the like icon. Take good care, and I will see you in my next video.